Okay, so let's start with a short presentation of my crystals, rocks and minerals collection. So this is a pretty big piece of Himalayan salt, anyways, a jade tree. It's a beautiful piece. It's like 2.5 feet wide amethyst. So jade, selenite, all kinds of, that's a nice labradorite. What we have here, we have an amethyst geode, and that's Shatukite, a rock of Shatukite and chrysocolla. Yeah, another amethyst, or pretty big piece of rose quartz and selenite, and these are the main rocks. Okay, so here, that's a desert rose. Behind I can see that pyramid, it's fossil from the bottom of the ocean. That's Brazilian agate, some another fossils, Orthoceras. That's again a big piece of desert rose. Yeah, white coral. This is Ora crystals, a big piece of silicon. So this is 99.999% purity silicon, not silicone, that one you use for sealing, you know, doors and windows and bathroom. This is silicon, like Silicon Valley. So these are all kinds of meteorites. This is, for example, an ataxite meteorite, 160 gram from Madagascar. Those are labeled. This is, I think is the label is here, is the Mona Lusta. This is a 1975 piece, and we have here, can see, anyways, hard to see in the bag, but let's go further. Yeah, so this is some Ora plated kyanite. Have all kinds of galena, big piece, hematite, calcite, magnesium ore, pretty cool looking. That jet, the coal, this is called jet. So pyrite, pretty big piece, nice one. Another pyrite here on the back. This is galena with calcite, nice, pretty big and nice and heavy specimen. This is some chalcopyrite, already oxidized. On the bottom, pretty clear, you can see the galena. Yeah, and this is the calcite. A small piece of petrified wood. Yeah, this is labradorite, raw. This is how it looks like. And after it's polished, it looks like this. Okay, a lot of calcite, Mangano calcite on the back side. This is a pretty cool color calcite. This is fluorite. This is blue calcite. This is a museum size specimen. This is a Mercedes calcite. You can see the top, it looks like a Mercedes sign. Yeah, this is a combination. It's fluorite on the base here, and this is calcite. Pretty cool specimen, nice one. And big and heavy. All kinds of calcite, peach calcite, green calcite, optic calcite. Like here. Dogtooth calcite, this one. This is a classic piece of calcite, different layers. Amber calcite or beer calcite. This is the one. All right, here we have amethyst, a lot of amethyst and calcite and all kinds of, yeah, this is Vancouver. Chevron calcite, amethyst, chevron amethyst. This is a polished piece. Again, clusters, amethyst clusters, and all kinds of carvings, lapis carving, and all kinds of stones. Those are the big ones. This is a huge chalcantite crystal or copper sulfate, which is very toxic, very toxic. And I have another one here. Yeah, this is another one, another piece here. It's toxic when it gets in contact with water. Very cool color, very cool piece. All kinds of nodules, Madagascar agates, very nice looking ones, big, huge. This is amber from, I think this is from Indonesia. Yes, this is from Indonesia. That's Brazilian agate. This is a scolecite. This is a scolecite. It has its own matrix. It has a location. Masik, Maharashtra. Yeah, this is the one. This is prehnite. You see the green amethyst. It's a huge crystal. That's another piece of orange calcite. This is a zeolite, which is probably, I think this is the nicest piece I have in my collection. It's apophyllite with stilbite on chalcedony matrix. It has 3 kilograms. It's a pretty heavy piece. All kinds of zeolites here. Another zeolite. Another zeolite. Or I have another zeolite here. All kinds of agate. That's bamboo agate from India. That's bismuth. Another zeolite. Sorry, it's not too much light. Yeah, some chrysanthemum stone. Some turquoise in native form. Another zeolite. Those are Thompsonite balls. Some onyx pieces on the back side. That's a big sculpture made out of jade. That's another zeolite, and all kinds of different specimens. Most of them are fluorite. That's a tourmaline, a big specimen of green tourmaline and green. See the green tourmaline here, and the rest is black tourmaline. This is 1.3 kilograms, it's coming from China. Another big pieces. This is pretty cool. This is spherolite and regular crystal. You can see the needles. A lot of this here it's spherolite, and yeah, another. This is sterolite with calcite on chalcedony. Agates. This is the section for a lot of jasper, like sunset jasper. Have a big piece of mahogany jasper. This is the one. And a mixture of different crystals here. See, this is a black crystal, regular white crystal, very clear. Okay, so what do we have here? This is pyrite, very nice. This is apophyllite, a big cluster, of crystal. I have 2 of these only in my collection because they're pretty hard to find. This is a specularite, it's from China. This one and this one, citrine. Those are lab made, anyways, the colored ones. Another citrine. This is another specularite. That's a big piece of amethyst with epidotes. Amethyst as well. All kinds of different crystals. This is a peach selenite. Orange is more orangish. That's labradorite. Another piece of calcite, kyanite. And those Madagascar agates, that's a huge one over there. And this is that's a big piece of pyrite over there. Everything on the backside pyrite. This is sphalerite on, I think it's on 5 or 6 different layers. It's a very cool piece of sphalerite. This is museum quality and size. Okay. This is everything here is pretty much sphalerite. Everything here in this area, except for this. I think this is tetrahedrite, yeah. Some chalcopyrite, pyrite with crystals, white crystals. Okay, and the selenite. And this is the Canadian ammonite. This is greenish, yellowish, and it has, I don't know, I had a label somewhere here. And this is another piece, this is 2.6 kilograms, another ammonite. This is reddish, as you can see. Yeah. Now, this is a huge piece of very nice colored. This is petrified wood. You can see the grain. Okay. This is what is called the writing stone. Yeah. This is from China as well. Yeah, another, I have small pieces of ammonite. These are excellent for jewelry. And another big piece here. Yeah, and all kinds of crystals here as well. Yeah, some carvings out of onyx, jade, marble. All right, I'll go to the next section. Okay, these are very nice, big trees, Amethyst, that's rose, quartz. This is another piece of amethyst, a big one here. I have another amethyst jade. There's a chakra tree, Mexican obsidian. Anyways, let's go to the main area. This is kind of a small office I have. All of these are Brazilian agates, which I have here as well. That's a piece of amethyst. Oh, that's a citrine. All right. So those up there. That's a citrine, an amethyst, another amethyst, that's a gray amethyst. That's the Auralite 23, which can be found only in Thunder Bay in Canada. Extremely nice specimen. Yeah, a big piece of black tourmaline, amethyst with epidotes, citrine. Here all kinds of citrine and amethyst, pretty rare black amethyst, gray amethyst, pink amethyst on the back side. That's brownish, blackish. This is a very dark amethyst. This is purple. That's a nice piece for crystal. Yeah, so this is part 3. Got a phone call. I have to cancel recording. So all kinds of crystals, geodes, most of them are regular white crystals. Okay, and here in the middle I have a lot of specimens, and most of them on the top I have only wands and balls, all kinds. This is part 3. Sorry, I had to interrupt, I had a phone call. All kinds of crystals. This is a metatorbanite. This is a uranium. It's not enriched, it's not radioactive. You can see the green dots, the light green dots, that's the uranium. Okay, all kinds of crystals, yeah. Yeah, this is where I have my lab tools for testing. On the back side I keep them hidden because they are pretty valuable. Those are my micro mounts, all kinds of rare. For example, this is it. This is a phosphosiderite from Portugal. Yeah, because I have the location. I have the name of the mineral and the location. Anyways, that's some citrine, small geodes and clusters, and druses. Okay, and here where I have balls and wands, all kinds of stones. Here pretty much all the minerals I have here, those are labeled, and they have on the label, they have the name of the mineral, the size and the location. For example, let's say this one, it's a kyanite, 64 grams, you know, size, and where it's from. It's from Brazil. That's a sand dollar from United States. That's cavensite from India, from Pune. That's native copper, this one here, all kinds. That's garnet, this is bismuth, all kinds of pyramids made out of bismuth. Okay, some malachite. What can I say? All kinds of minerals. These ones, yeah, that's a Brandberg crystal, and it has a, this one, it's a Brandberg crystal, very rare, and it has another phone call, another interruption. Yeah. So yeah, this is some pink tourmaline. Yeah, this is a Chilean from Chile. Lapis lazuli. It's a different blue than the regular lazuli from Afghanistan. What is this? This is plamogamite from China. I know I have another specimen of plamogamite, a smaller one. Yeah. Now this is a moldavite from Czech Republic. Oh, this is a multicolored kunzite. It's a pink, it has a little bit of purple in it, a little bit of yellow. Yeah, this is a pretty nice quality kunzite. Yeah, this is a citrine. This is probably the most valuable citrine you can find in the world. It's from Congo. That's the most valuable and the best citrine for metaphysical purposes, that kind of stuff, you know. Yeah, you see it has the small soldiers around it. That's specific to that location, to the Muena. It's called Muena in Congo. And this is, I think, the same. Yeah, this is another one from the same locality, from Wena, from Congo, the same citrine. Okay, and all kinds of. This is mushroom prehnite, which is the green variety of amethyst. You can see it here, the green on the base. Okay, this is a newly discovered mineral. Just a second. This is a newly discovered mineral. It's called K2. It's from K2, from the mountain. It has a variety. It's an apatite, blue apatite in a feldspar in a granite matrix. It's pretty cool. Okay, here I have some zeolites as well. Zeolite. This is a zeolite like a brain. Another zeolite. All kinds of. That was from a cave. I have here what's in this bag. Oh, this is a piece of shungite. It absorbs a lot of electromagnetic waves, and you know, it's a sealant. This is a tetrahedrite. You can see here the shape. That's tetrahedrite on crystal matrix. Yeah, what I have here, this is a hollandite. Yeah, this is a crystal, a regular white crystal with hollandite stars. I don't know if you can see them. Let's see. It's hard. Yeah, those look like some stars. That's hollandite inside the crystal. And here all kinds of different specimens. Let's see. These ones are from Russia, are specific to Koala Peninsula. This is, anyway, this is man-made, the sandstone. But all these ones, for example, this is lambrophyllite. This is from Kola Peninsula, from Kibini Mountains in Russia. This is green sugar apatite, light green sugar apatite, from the same area, from the Kola Peninsula in Russia. This is from China. This is a specialty garnet, not gem quality, but you can see it. You can see the small ones, the orange, the Fanta orange, specialty garnet. This is green apatite from Kola Peninsula, again, from Russia. This is a nice specimen. This is a selenite from Red River, from Manitoba. Okay, this is a lemon topaz. This seems to be tourmaline, but no, this is olvite from Mongolia. Nice sheen, nice luster. This is specurite, some nice pieces. Yeah, this is what? This is a crystal with specurite. Yeah, the small piece here, that's specurite in quartz. What else? Vesuvianite. You can see the small lamelles like baguettes. That's Vesuvianite on matrix from Pakistan. This is sphene with mica. You can see the sphene. This is the yellow one with mica and everything on a feldspar base, on a feldspar matrix. This is from Pakistan, and this is again from Afghanistan. This is apidoped in host matrix. Okay, that's garnet. Anyways, I have a lot of stuff. Some rubies, emeralds, and here, let's see. For example, this one, it's a pink barite. It's a pyromorphite, the green one. That's magnesium, or this one, the trees. This is from Germany, from Riechelsdorf, so it's called Riechelsdorfite, the blue one, the greenish blue one. This is a blue orachalcite. And so on. I have another blue one here. This is cyanotrachite. Anyways, lots of different. This is the shiny one. It's pretty cool. This is stibnite. This is chrysotile, which has the asbestos. You can see those layers are made out of asbestos. This is considered, I think, the second most toxic mineral. I have some other pieces, but I have them in bags. Okay. This is realgar and orpiment. This is where the arsenic is coming from. And I have another pieces. Everything there in that box, it's realgar. Yeah, this is a big piece of amazonite. Shiny. It's a pretty nice greenish blue. This is chlorine. It's not a regular fluorite or crystal, or a regular white crystal, white quartz. This is chlorine. This is from Pakistan. A nice specimen from China. This is native sulfur on matrix. What else? Yeah, this is the regular barite. I have some blue barite from Romania, from a mine closed like 27 years ago, 28. This is green chlorite again. Smaller pieces. And so on. Yeah, this is, let's say, that corner, it's apatite, all of them. This is Vesuvianite, molybdenite, sorry. This is molybdenite. On the back side, this is colcite. You see the needles. Yeah, on the back side is, I'm sorry I don't have too much lighting here. Anyways, this is a small collection I have. I have probably more than, in boxes I have a lot of some other specimens, so overall I have more than 2000 specimens. Lots of them are very rare. For example, this is considered now to be the most rare mineral in the world. This is pezotite. It comes from Madagascar. The whole mineral ore, it's depleted. You can't find any more of this mineral. This is pezotite. I have painite, pezotite, benitoite, so all the rarest minerals in the world, I have them. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation. If you have more questions or some advices, I'd be very, very happy to get them from you. Thank you very much and have a great day.